Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would glad to encourage you to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for my future upcoming recipe videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing two quick and easy recipes called Roasted Lobster and Thai Chili Dipping Sauce. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, rinse the lobster and using a sharp knife, poke in the middle of the head, then trim off the long antennas. Spread evenly both the olive oil and the salt onto the lobster. Applying some oil to the lobster is to prevent the lobster meat from drying out. Bake it at a preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 20 to 24 minutes. Using a pair of scissors, cut the coriander, chilies and the garlic cloves into small pieces so that it will be easier to grind and crush them into a fine paste in the mortar and pestle. Crush the ingredients with brown sugar, lime juice, fish sauce, and hot water while using a mortar and pestle, or you can use a blender instead. Let the cooked lobster cool down for a while, then using a pair of scissors, deshell the lobster by cutting along the middle of the shell. Serve the roasted lobster with the Thai chili dipping sauce and enjoy it with your loved ones. Thank you friends for watching. I hope that you try out this recipe, and these are some recipe videos that I had uploaded. Do feel free to enjoy them. Take care and have a nice day.